In this video, we are showing you a very dynamic combination for beginners with a lot of turns that will make sure that you have a lot of fun at your next party. So, let's start.
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. Since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. Oh, and I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch. And I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust. I'm running out of time, 'cause I can see the sun light up the sky. So I hit the road in overdrive, baby. This city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me.
So guys, for this one, we start in the open position and we prepare the woman's turn in 3 and 4. In 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the follower is turning in 5 and 6. In 5, 6. And we did our normal basic steps. On 7, 8, it's our time to turn in 7, 8. And more like a turn is more of a spin because we are doing a quick turn in only 7 and 8. And make sure to tap at the end with 8 because we are going that way on our basic. From here, we end up with this hand position. And with this hand position, we have a little bit more tension with us, with our partner. So we can turn her over the shoulder in 1, 2, 3, 4. And for leaders, it's also here very important that we are not only pushing her to the back, because otherwise she will do her turn to the back, and we don't want that. We want her to also go into the line, in our line. And we do our basic step, and we create space with one another.
Yes. For the follower, it's very important that you keep the tension here in the arm and you just don't let him push and you don't turn. So really keep the tension. And then when you go and he turns you, you keep the arm here. So when you start turning, your hand comes to the shoulder and he still can keep the connection to your back and slide on the arm back. Also take the left arm to do a little styling. Just open the arm like this. And style, bring it back to the right shoulder, and then we keep going.
Yes. So let's continue in 1, 2, 3, tap. And from here, we are going to indicate to the follower to walk towards us, towards our right side. And at the same time, we are doing our steps at first here to the front and then on the spot in 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure to tap on 8 and also make sure to bring this arm up and not leave it here where it is because otherwise you're going to end up like this, okay? And we don't want that. So we go tap, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The follower, we just keep walking, we pass him, and while we do that, we do a little styling. We have the left hand here on the right shoulder, so we bring the hand over the chest and on the side down on your leg.
Yes, so we are in 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're rotating so that you can see this connection here. That's the most important connection, that we have connection with our arms, biceps, triceps, and for the follower as well, because from here we are indicating to the follower to keep walking around us in 1, 2, 3, tap. We give her space with this hand by having her up the arm, and we go into our good morning, okay? And from here, we prepare the turn over the shoulder, and we rotate, turn the lady in 5, 6, 7, 8.
So for the styling for the follower from the position there, we are here. Make sure really to tap here. Don't forget to tap. make sure to keep the tension here, so when he pushes, we don't do like this chicken thing. So when he pushes, you actually walk. We have the hand here down. Now we bring it back up over our head and make a little window for the head, and then we keep walking and offer the hand to the leader again.
If we want it, but we don't want it in this time. So we're 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here, we do an arm breaker or hammer lock with this arm by twisting it that way and by indicating to the follower as well that she needs to turn with this one. So do not pull with this hand. This hand doesn't exist at the moment, okay? We are here in 8 and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So in 3, 4, we make a caricia with her, like her here on 3 or 4, and we prepare the turn by bringing this hand, the body of the follower, a little bit, rotating it that way, and with this one as well. And here we rotate her in 5, 6, 7, 8. So in 7, 8, we do another caricia, but this time for us. In 7, 8, and we close the position. We are now in the social position. We go into the basic in 1, 2, 3.
For the followers, when we are in this arm breaker with the caricia, with the arm up here, make sure that you bring your right arm up, because in any other position you would interrupt the turn. If you have it here, he can't turn you out anymore. So make sure really to bring the arm up and keep it there until your turn is finished. Otherwise, you will punch him in the face.
Yeah. No elbows on the leader face, okay? 7, 8. So from this point of view, counting in 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap.
When I call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. I look around and since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone, and I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch, and I said, ooh.
If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and watch these other videos that we are sure are going to help you a lot to get better at Bachata Sensual. We hope to see you over there. Bye-bye.